And just started with Ironheart, break with little start, moving upon the outside. I did it my way for your eyes only, in the middle portion, and followed by El Terrible. While stop talking is the early trailer, passing by the judge stand for the first time. We have for your eyes only, by about 2 lengths. Ironheart in second, I did it my way comes next, El Terrible. While stop talking, still racing in fifth, and going along for the first turn with for your eyes only. By a length and a half, Ironheart is right behind in second. I did it my way comes next. Alongside comes El Terrible. While stop talking, still racing in fifth, half-mile distance. They traveled with for your eyes only, maintaining a half-length lead. Moving upon the outside now is El Terrible. In the middle portion comes Ironheart. Next on line is I did it my way. While stop talking, still running at the time of the field, and now the far turn, the lead now belongs to El Terrible by about 2 lengths. Running by the rail is Ironheart for your eyes only, moving upon the outside. I did it my way. While stop talking, still racing in behind the scene, and they are now entering the home stretch with El Terrible by about 3/4 of a length lead. I want to throw the challenge on the outside is I did it my way to take the lead. It's now I did it my way followed by El Terrible. Ironheart in third with about 25 minutes. It's I did it my way, El Terrible. Then comes Ironheart for your eyes only.
Nakita mo ba? Nakita ko?
Naalala ko si Jackie Jesus. 18 and a half, 24 and a half, 25, 27. Total time ni I did it my way, 1:35 seconds flat.
Galing.
That's Jackie J.B. Hernandez going back to the scales for his weigh-in. 54 kilograms ang assigned weight.